What in the world am I getting into? Am I on to something, or am I absolutely a madman? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, let's not waste too much time. Let's go ahead. Moment of truth. Check this out. So what in the world is this, and why am I so excited? So this is actually this chassis here that you see, this whole design with the fans and the board in the back, and there's actually a power supply way back in there, is something called a cell hasher. It's kind of like a cell phone server case. Think of these of all your GPUs, but as cell phones. Yes, cell phones. These are a bunch of Orbic Joy old cell phones that I'm putting to work on a platform called Acurast, which these are actually all being used in a massive AI network. And they're putting these Snapdragon kind of CPUs inside of here to work on a platform called Acurast. If you guys are actually brand new, you never heard of Acurast, I'll go ahead and pop up a video. I actually have two videos here that walk you through exactly what this is and how to do it step by step. Go over and check it out. I'm not going to dive into it in today's video, but I'm excited. We have 20 cell phones now up and running on Acurast, and it took a little while. We needed to go ahead and get some batteries in. They don't have batteries now, but some batteries in to go ahead and successfully factory reset these. But all of these are actually stripped down. If you look from this angle, look, there's no back on these at all. There's no batteries. There's only one that has a battery because I'm waiting for this one cable. I don't know the technical term. It's like this ribbony cable that connects into this board on the back side here, you can see. And then actually on the very bottom, we have a USB-C to USB that plugs in for power. But everything's up and running. And guys, this thing is super quiet. You only hear these fans going down here. And right now, when these, it barely uses any watts at all. I think it's like 120 watts total for all of this. And we're just earning Acurast every single day. And Acurast is on mainnet. If you're like, is this a testnet thing? Is this like fake internet money? Nope, it's on mainnet right now, actually. You can go over and check it out in more detail. But this is the start. This is the start. We have 20 cell phones, and well, I bought a few more. Let's get this unboxed. All right, there's no good way to go ahead and record this, so we'll try this way, which works out best. You get a nice little feet pics there. So a few weeks ago, community member Frogman actually posted in my Discord looking to sell 2 additional cell hashers. Oh, I need a knife there. 2 additional cell hashers and 40 cell phones. And it was quite the deal. I'll tell you guys how much I paid for it. I didn't pay anything different than what he was asking, but I'll go over that price at the very, very end. But oh my gosh, look at all this. He packaged this thing up so freaking good. All right, let's see what I can find in here. A bunch of stuff. There's a label here. I don't want to show it, so let's turn it this way. Here we go. So let me open this. What is in this box? Right here. Oh, he sent me packing peanuts. Oh my gosh. But look, all those packing peanuts in here. Ready? But take a look at this. Each of the, oh my gosh, these are packaged so freaking good. Frogman, this is like insane. Can I get this open? Let's look here. Oh man, I gotta cut this open. Each of the phones is like packaged in their own bubble wrap and everything. Dude, I don't think I paid enough. He said some of them might be damaged and stuff, so we'll have to see. Look at this. Yeah, see, this is a damaged one right here, but it's fine. They don't need to be in working condition. Like the screen doesn't need to be perfect. I just need to be able to interact with it to get everything up and running. Look how big this thing is. Holy cow. This is nuts. So this is one of 40 phones. This whole thing is filled with phones. Holy cow. I'm going to put this up here. What else is in here? This is nuts. Dude, this is like crazy good packaging. Thank you. Here's another box. You know what? Let me not waste too much time. I'm just going to go ahead and get all of this unboxed, and you're not going to see any of it, and then we'll take a look at everything that we picked up. I'll be right back. Let's pivot real quick. Not everyone can run miners at home. Maybe your electric bill is just through the roof. The heat is just too hard to manage, and the sound is absolutely insane. Well, this is where blockopsmining.com comes in. I had the opportunity to go ahead and visit their Arkansas facility about 2 years ago, and it was truly impressive. Listen, if you guys are in the market to not only buy, but also have your ASIC miners hosted right here in the United States, go over and check out blockopsmining.com. All right, so take a look. This is what 40 cell phones look like. Now, you might be like, oh my gosh, like there's some cracked screens and stuff. That's okay. You can run Acurast on any of these that have a cracked screen. I just have to be able to at least scan a QR code with them. So they have to have a phone or like a camera on the back, which they do, which is good. And these are actually one of these phones somewhere in here. Let's see if I can find it. One of these, oh man, one of these phones, I went in and brought up the information on it. Oh my gosh, where is it? There's too many. Maybe it was this one. Let's take a look here real quick. So let's see. Was it this one? Yep. So these are my gimbal's all over the place. AT&T Radiant Max 5. So these have, I believe it's about 64 gigabytes of storage with they're 4 gig when it comes down to your memory on them. And we bought all 40 of these as well as 2 cell hashers. And we're going to be putting all of these on Acurast, but it's going to be interesting. All of these have batteries in them. So I got to see pop off the back of these and remove the batteries. And then I have to go ahead and take a cable. There's these little ribbon cable deals, as I talked about over here, that plug directly into there in order to have these up and mining. I hate to run these with the batteries in them because the batteries actually end up bulging over time. So it's best to run without batteries. Those of you guys that are within the phone mining community, hello. Please educate me as much as you can. I would really appreciate your help with it. But I'm excited to be diving into this. These are all going to go into 2 different chassis. Let me actually get one of these opened up. I forget which model cell hasher is in these. All right, so check this out. So this is a different style cell hasher. You can see this is more like your server chassis. This is actually one of their early models. This is more of like a plug and play style, which will be great. I'll be able to get this up and running a lot faster. So each of the phones, let me grab one here. Your phones you can slot in. Actually, these are going to go like this. Is how they're going to sit in here and kind of angled like that, which is really, really nice. And then what's going to happen is that airflow is going to go ahead and cool it down, those fans blowing from underneath. Let me see if I can rotate this around real quick here. So then on this side, we have power. And if you want to, there is actually a USB connection. They actually give you a cable here. You can actually wire it right into a computer if you're interested. But what I'm going to be doing is you can see on the back, here's all your USB ports. It's a little bit different model than this one here. This one I would say is a little bit more of a plug and play style. So now we have our USB to USB-C. So that's going to give those power up top there, which will work out really, really well. And then that's going to go ahead and run. And I think on this side is really where it pulls in intake and then blows it directly. Can I lift it up via this? Yeah, I can. Nice. So check that out. So I'm going to be able to get up and mining a lot faster. I am going to have to find a better full-time solution for removing the battery. Once you remove the battery, the phone kind of freaks out. You really only need a battery in it to factory reset it, is my understanding, which I need to do with these in order to get into Acurast. And honestly, it's really, really easy. Acurast Core is the direction we're going to be going with these. Core takes over the entire phone, the operating system, everything, all with just a scan of a QR code, which is going to work out really, really nicely. But I'm excited. I mean, this is going to be a lot easier. This setup will be much easier than this setup. This setup was quite a challenge. This is much more up probably most people's alley. This runs for about $150 on Cell Hasher's website. I'll put a link directly down below. Not sponsored by them or anything. Everything here, I actually have the second one in here. Everything here I purchased outright from Frogman, community member. He was just looking to liquidate some hardware, and I actually got all of this for $400 plus shipping. which is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Frogman. Going down the route of the phone mining avenue is something I've wanted to do for quite some time now. It's a little bit more accessible for home miners. Listen, I love home solo mining Bitcoin, but I want to dabble into other things. And this is a great avenue to do it. I mean, as we talked about, this might use 120 watts on a busy day. It's just so much more affordable for us home miners to run something like this. Now, is something like this going to make you rich? I don't believe so, but it's absolutely going to give us exposure to that AI compute world with something that's more inexpensive. These go on eBay for about $35 each, so I got an absolute steal. Plus you got these for $150 each. So thank you, Frogman. He literally posted in my Discord and I just reached out and said, hey, I'll pay exactly what you're looking for. So thank you very, very much. But I'm excited to be diving into this, guys. I'll leave links to everything down below if you're interested in doing it. And I have 2 videos on Acurast on how you can do this step by step with any phone you have sitting around, even those cracked ones out there. It can be very, very easy. There's 2 different methods. There's a processor mode, which is an easy, like a light version you can run as an app, or there's the core mode that takes over the entire phone. All right, enough rambling. I have so much work to do. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.